Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to remove scuffs from your hardwood floors. Now, scuffs usually come from shoes or something like that that's just dragging on the top of the floor. Now, the easiest way to remove those scuffs, if it's happen to be a real heavy scuff, most of your hardwood flooring systems, particularly on your engineering floor systems or pre-finished floor systems, will recommend some kind of floor cleaning solution to use with this. Now, if you have some heavy scuffs, you can simply spray this either on a soft cloth or directly on the floor. And what you want to do using circular motions is you want to buff that out until that scuff is removed. And most of the time scuffs is, again, it's just some material that has gotten on top of the wood floor finish. And so it's on those heavier scuffs, you take a soft cloth with your cleaning solution, most of the scuffs will be able to get out very easily. Now, if there's a larger area with a larger area of surface scuffs, then a good thing to keep around is a type of chamois mop such as this. And you can, again, spray your solution and use this for larger areas. And this actually cleans and buffs the area. So as you work it around, it'll clean a lot of the residual dust, but it'll also buff any of those scuffs off and leave you with a nice, fresh, clean look on your hardwood floors. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to clean scuffs from your hardwood floors.